That's about right, isn't it? That's not too stupid, is it? That's nice. Deep.
Responsive as well.
Yeah. Well, the standard cats will kill it anyway, won't they? Yeah, they've done away with that middle thing because that used to rot. Mig.
Is there a baffle in it though?
Yeah. Yeah, there's a baffle in it.
But the end cap comes off.
Yeah. You can take the baffle out.
Can you?
Yeah. Yeah, you can. No, they look cool. Look good.
They suit the bike, you know.
It does. Not too stupid, are they?
But underneath.
Should have been MiG 21, shouldn't it?
Still a piece of pace, isn't it?
Oh no, it's good. It's
I
good.
might put 21.
Is that Irish? MiG? Yeah. Like mine's UIL. My Sprinter. Well, that's true. Yeah. It's gear row.
Yeah.
Is that right? It's about right. It's not too in your face, is it? Oh yeah, spot on. That's nice. Bang on. That really is nice, isn't it?